Reality show number 2.
Bryce, can you play with me?
Oh wait, I'm playing my iTouch.
But can I play with you?
Sure. Wow, that was weird.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, now the credits. Filmmaker, director, and narrator. Me, Trey. Kid with the iTouch. Bryce. Girl playing with the cars.
Justine.
And random dancer. Mia. Okay, thanks for watching.